Hi, Directorate General of Trade Remedies (DGTR) has proposed a 5 years anti-dumping duty on specific type of cranes. These are crawler cranes and some truck cranes, which are basically imported from China. What would be the impact of this anti-dumping duty? Although it has not been confirmed, but it has been proposed only. But the possibility of uh, imposing this anti-dumping duty is very high. Now the question is, which area, being an investor, which companies or which area we should look at. But before that, I have a disclaimer that I do not have any buy, sell, hold recommendation with this video. I'm just sharing knowledge and information for your understanding, absolutely for the academic purpose. If any trader or investor has any interest in any stock, take your own call or consult with your registered advisor. So let's come back. Basically, we need to understand a little bit of the cranes market, how this market is shaped. It is said that in India, cranes market is as big as USD 3 billion, and it is an old estimate. It's an old estimate of 2023. Now, mobile cranes, there are three types of cranes. Okay, three categories of cranes. One is called mobile cranes, which are basically used for the roads, ports, industrial activities, road construction, port activities, industrial sites, industrial activities. In, it is said that mobile crane holds the largest market share, that is around 63% as per some 2024 estimate. Another one category of crane is called fixed and tower cranes. We understand from the terminology, tower cranes are basically used in the high-rise building for developing high-rise building in the real estate. For movement of the materials. And another one category is called uh, crawler crawler cranes. Basically, crawler cranes are somewhat similar to those mobile cranes, but these are specifically built for the off-roading activities, some off-roading needs, maybe some road development in the mountain or road clearance in the mountain. These type of cranes are used, and obviously in the mines. So the key requirement of crawler cranes are in the mines. I have seen cranes offloading material within a cargo ship. मतलब getting down inside the cargo space and offloading coal, that is imported coal. So these cranes are basically uh, these cranes are mainly found in India in various activities. Now the question is, DGTR has proposed this Chinese anti-dumping duty on Chinese import on crawler and truck cranes. Now, which company is going to be beneficiary of this? This is the question. Now the point is, it is uh, in the mobile and tower crane segment. That is like we know that the most common crane manufacturer in India is Action Construction Limited. So for Action Construction, around 63% revenue comes from mobile and tower cranes, but there is crawler cranes is not that very big, but in India it comes mainly from China. Now the possibilities are, like as also the management said, they are looking to expedite production of that particular category. Maybe that can help them to capture the market, and government is also looking for indigenization. I'm not very sure if any other companies are there, any other big companies are there, but I will provide you one surprising information. Surprising in the sense, I believe that many of you do not know that one company also manufactures crane you will be surprised that escorts, many of you does not know, escorts also manufacture cranes, and they are basically in the pick and carry cranes, hydra series cranes, rough terrain cranes in their portfolio. So pick and carry cranes is a type of basically mobile cranes that is designed to lift heavy loads and transport them over short distances. So, escorts in FY25, around 15% revenue of escort came from this crane business. And all of them, like Action Construction and this escorts, they are crane manufacturer. The Action Construction does not have any renting business, because most of the companies which come in the forefront are this type of equipment, earth moving equipment hiring business is in earth moving equipment hiring business. But Action Construction is fully into the construction business. They said to expedite the production of those other categories crawler type of cranes, because of the, maybe because of the opportunity they are looking ahead, because that also contributes some significant part, other parts like crawler cranes. And that area is partly vacuumed, and it is imported from China, so that can be easily indigenized. So, not very sure whether this duty will be actually imposed, but possibilities are high. And when or how long will it take for Action Construction to start significant production of the other categories other than that mobile and tower cranes? That also is a point of question which we need to keep a close eye and keep on watching the management stand. That's it in this particular video. If you find this video informative, like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.